how to measure distance in Google Maps on a Windows PC and on an Android phone. So go here to google.com/maps, and now I'm not signed in, so you don't need to be signed in. Okay, so to measure the distance between two locations or 2 points on the map, simply right click on it and come here to measure distance, and that drop the point. So from that point till, let's say here, let's left click, we have 33 kilometers. You can move that point to a larger distance. Now we have 53 kilometers. You can even left click again and the distance is added. From here till there and till there we have 84 kilometers. Another point, another distance, and so on. You can click on a point and that will delete it. Left click on a point and it deletes it. To clear all these measurements, to delete this line, right click on the map and clear measurement. Okay, now how to do the same thing on an Android phone. Start Google Maps, navigate to a location that you want, tap on the map. A point was added, that red one, just ignore the blue ones. After that red sign was added, now pull up on this lower portion and there you have measure distance. Measure distance, and now notice as you move it further away, the distance here in the lower left corner increases or decreases. So from here till there we have 26 kilometers. Now if you want to add the point, then here in the lower right corner we have the plus sign and the text itself at the point. Tap on any of those and now you can measure further away. Now we have 45 kilometers. Add another point. Let's say till there we have 68 kilometers. Add a point. We can use this back arrow to delete the last point. So currently it looks like this. The back arrow will delete that point. Back arrow again and it will delete that point. Because this is the current one, it's not yet fixed. Okay, if you want to eliminate all this measurement, 3 dots in the upper right corner and clear. And all the other points were deleted. Measure distance has an X, so we just got out from there and we can pull it down. If you want to do another measurement, let's say tap on a location, it even has a name. Now we have pictures down here, and now below the picture there is the measure distance, and you can measure a distance, let's say here. Add a point, 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 plus, add point, add point. 4.4 kilometers from here around till there. Clear. X. So that's how to measure distance on an Android phone and on a Windows computer.